The Indian government has announced major exemptions to the nationwide lockdown from today. Shops selling non-essential goods will be allowed to reopen in non-containment zones. All registered non-essential shops in residential areas can start opening from today. They will have to operate at 50% capacity, and wearing masks has been made mandatory. The order does not exempt branded shops and shops in shopping malls as well, so they will continue to remain shut. In rural India, all non-essential shops, even those in market complexes, will be allowed to reopen from now. But in urban areas, market complexes are still not exempted. The government has now clarified that liquor shops too will remain shut during this lockdown period. Only standalone stores and stores in residential complexes have been exempt from the rule, so they can open now. So your local eateries and salons will very well open up today, provided they are registered under the Shops and Establishment Act. In Tamil Nadu, the government is going to impose a complete lockdown in 5 cities: Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, Salem and Tirupur. Only essential services will remain open. Even vegetable and fruit shops will remain closed. Only home delivery of essential goods will be permitted. The government-run Amma canteens will continue to operate, and restaurants will be limited to delivering food. Public areas will be disinfected twice a day. Chief Minister Palaniswamy has promised strict legal action against lockdown violators. Our correspondent Siddharth MP gets us this report from Chennai.
Noting the steady increase of coronavirus cases in the urban centers and cities in Tamil Nadu, the state government has decided to go in for a specific lockdown in the urban centers and large cities. Chennai, Coimbatore and Madurai will be going into a 4-day lockdown starting Sunday. The lockdown is applicable starting 6 a.m. Sunday until 9 p.m. Wednesday. This would mean that only essential services and government services, including hospitals, ambulances and other government services, would be allowed to function. This means that all private firms and IT firms have been asked to shut down and asked to issue work-from-home orders. Even the shops that were exempt earlier, such as vegetable shops, grocery shops and also meat stalls, have been asked to completely shut down. The only ones that will be functioning are the large wholesale vegetable markets and also the vendors, the pushcart vendors that go from locality to locality selling vegetables. Also, the NGOs that are helping the poor and also media, that is print and electronic media, will also be permitted during this particular lockdown. The government has said that any violators of this new lockdown would be dealt with strictly and all their vehicles would also be impounded. So far, Tamil Nadu has seen 1,755 coronavirus positive cases, of which more than 50%, that is 866 people, have recovered and also been discharged from the hospitals. Only 864 active cases remain in the state, and even the state's mortality rate is lower at 1.2%, which is far lesser than the national average, which is a little over 3%. From Chennai, this is Siddharth MP. We on World is One.